Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited. I know most of you will be wondering what's doing this one, why is she so happy. Guys, I'm not just happy, my body's sweating me. Like, I am excited. You know why? I just got this gift from an anonymous person. Guys, this gift actually came at the right time. I won't lie, I was about giving up YouTube. I was actually getting tired because it's not easy. It's seriously not easy. I can't believe I'm saying this right now in front of camera, but seriously, it's not easy. I wasn't actually expecting it to be easy, but I wasn't told it was going to be this hard. Like, most times I post videos, interesting videos, or videos I spent time doing, or videos I spent money doing and all of that. Then I don't get views, I don't get comments, I don't get likes and stuff like that, and I'm like, was the video not good enough? And some other stuff like that, and I start doubting myself and stuff like that, and there's no encouragement coming in, nothing like that. And I say, I don't know, but I was totally about giving up. If you've noticed, I've not even been posting like that. For someone like me that posts every day, I've not been posting like that. I only post shorts. I know most of you will be wondering what's wrong, guys. I swear I was about giving up, seriously. But then I don't think I can give up again. I don't think so, because this shows that yes, people are appreciating me. Actually, they are appreciating my videos, because trust me, it's not easy. You can't spend the whole day making a video. After making the video, I edit those videos, the stress and all of that. Then I post and I'm seeing 10 views, I'm seeing 20 views. Guys, we have 1 billion or 10 billion people in this world using YouTube. Okay, let's say 3 billion using YouTube, and you're getting just 10 views, 20 views. Guys, it's not encouraging. It's not encouraging at all. So well, I got an email from a phone seller, or what do you call them, gadget sellers. Let me just use the word phone seller. So the person told me I have a package I should come and pick up and all of that. So I went there, and funny enough, to my greatest surprise, guys, this is AirPod 3. This is this is AirPod 3. This is around 160 to 170,000 or so. This is from an anonymous subscriber. Guys, this charger, this is an iPhone charger with cord. This is around 12k to 13k if I'm not mistaken, guys. Actually got a gift to appreciate my work. And then the phone seller said the only thing the person requested was for me to make an unboxing video. And then the person said I should keep up the good work on YouTube. Guys, I was feeling goosebumps everywhere. My eyes, my nose, my body. Guys, I said you can't understand what I'm feeling right now. You can't, seriously, you can't understand what I'm feeling. But I'm super excited. But I want to beg this person, I don't know who you are, and you didn't drop your name. I don't know if you're a male or if you're a female, I don't know. Please, can you just actually reach out to me so that I can thank you? I can make a video thanking you. If you don't want me to mention your name, or even if you want me to mention your name, even if it's not your complete name, even if you just, I don't know, message me on Instagram or use my email again, I swear I would. Let me just thank you, guys. Let me just I am excited, and trust me, I was thinking of giving up, but no way, I am not giving up again. I promise to make more videos. So I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you, like, you guys are amazing. Thank you to everybody that opens my videos, even if it's once in a while. Like, I love and appreciate you all. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking. Actually, thank you for commenting. It's not easy. Thank you. I just want to say thank you, like, super thank you. But please please, I want to say special thing. I want to thank you specially. I want to make a video for you. I want to thank you specially. Yeah, I'm going to do the unboxing video, but let me call your name and say thank you. Let people know this person. Let me know this person. Like, this is oh god, this is AirPod 3. This is AirPod 3. This is not just any AirPod. This is around 170,000, and you just want me to do an unboxing video of it. Oh wow. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Thank you. So please don't forget to reach out to me. If you don't want to reach out to me through my email, you can just reach out to me through Instagram. I'm using the same name on Instagram, Empress Bassey. So please, I'll be waiting for you. Please just reach out to me, and I'll be making this unboxing video very soon. Thank you. I want to thank you all. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Please help us watch more. Help us like more. Help us subscribe more. Please. The encouragement is needed. It's not easy. It's seriously not easy. Seriously. Right now, I'm supposed to be in school. Right now. But I have to make this video first because thank you. Thank you. I can't stop saying thank you because I seriously really appreciate. I don't know why you didn't drop your name, but thank you so much. I promise to make more videos, like more videos. Thank you for telling me to keep up the good work. I promise I will. Thanks for the encouragement. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.